Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblur lock screen in iOS 17. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having issue that your lock screen has blurry, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on wallpaper, and guys you need to click on add new wallpapers, and guys from here you need to add any wallpaper on your iPhone. So guys, after adding your new wallpaper, so guys, if still not fix your problem, so guys maybe this problem is occurred in iOS 17 after update. So guys, simply you need to connect any Wi-Fi with your device, and guys you need to go back, click on general, and guys click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest version, that is iOS 17.2 beta. So guys, by doing this version all the problem 17. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.